Today we're going to talk about summarizing text. Okay, we're going to practice this skill. I've found that my students often have a very difficult time summarizing a text. They either go on and on and on, or they only write a couple of sentences about the little details in the entire text. So we are going to talk about a very unique way to remember how to summarize a text and make sure that we get all of the information that we need in order to properly do it. I like to use the somebody wanted but so then strategy for teaching kiddos how to write a summary for literature. Now, this does not work for nonfiction text. So today we're going to focus on writing summaries for fictional stories. When we write a summary, we should try to answer the following questions. Somebody. Well, who was the story all about? Who is the main character? Okay. Wanted. What did the character want? But what was the problem or the obstacle that got in the way? So, how did the character, or what did the main character do to overcome the obstacle or problem? What did they do? How did they do it? Then, how is the problem solved? This usually takes place when the story ends. You are going to open up your reading notebook, and on the next clean page, you are going to write this anchor chart on Summariize on the next clean page. And please remember that you do need to add color so that it stands out. This should take up the whole workbook page. You will upload that in the next part of your activity for today. You will also listen to a story, and in your notebook, you will copy down the graphic organizer, fill out the somebody wanted but so then in your notebook, and write a summary. So, now that we talked about this anchor chart, how do you write the summary? Well, when you're writing the summary, you're going to start off by answering all of these questions. If you write it out just like this, you can say the main character in the story, and what was the story's name, wanted, but, so, and then how did the story end? If you follow this rule in this strategy, your summarizations will be right on top.